Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today is just a super chill vlog type video. I'm going to make some kombucha, so I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Morning, y'all. It is Friday, March the 8th. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up for 2 hours because, of course, you can't sleep on a Friday morning, but I have some new little tomato sprouts to show you. I got a Cherokee Purple. I've got some Kellogg's Breakfast. These guys are Cherokee Purple that already came up. I've got some, let's see what else we got. And if you guys are wondering why my lights aren't on, I turn them on when I get, right before I leave to take the kids to school. So here's a black vernissage, or two of them actually. This one is berries, blueberries, cherry. Let's see if there's anything else. Still dark outside. Nope. The kids are all still asleep, so that's nice. Been drinking coffee, catching up on YouTube. That one's a super sweet 100. Here's a black from Tula. Prudence Purple. What else do we got? This one's new. It's another little black from Tula. Anything else? I don't know. I don't see anything else right now. So I think that's it. That's my update for now. gorgeousness on the inside. Got a little baby scoby on the top. I'm gonna wait maybe another day or two, and then I'm gonna bottle it for its second ferment, and then put those in the fridge before I leave on my little trip on Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this.